Hello friends, today in this video we will learn what is nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy stored in the core, that is nucleus of an atom. Atoms are the tiny particles in the molecules that make up gases, liquids and solids. For example, let's take a case of water molecule. Water molecule is made up of oxygen atom and hydrogen atom. Atoms themselves are made up of three particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. An atom has a nucleus containing protons and neutrons, which is surrounded by electrons. Protons carry a positive electrical charge and electrons carry a negative electrical charge. Neutrons do not have any electrical charge. Enormous energy is present in the bonds that hold the nucleus together. This nuclear energy can be released through processes called nuclear fusion and nuclear fission. Nuclear fusion happens when two nuclei join to form a single nucleus. Nuclear fission happens when the nucleus of an atom splits into two or more parts. Nuclear fusion happens naturally in stars such as the Sun. Their atoms are constantly combining and creating nuclear energy. That energy is the source of the heat and light that Earth gets from the Sun. In 1930s, scientists discovered that they could make nuclear fission happen in certain kinds of atoms. They made their discovery while working with the atoms of the substance called uranium. During nuclear fission, a neutron collides with a uranium atom and splits it, releasing a large amount of energy in the form of heat and radiation. More neutrons are also released when a uranium atom splits. These neutrons continue to collide with other uranium atoms, and the process repeats itself over and over again. This process is called a nuclear chain reaction. This reaction is controlled in nuclear power plant reactors to produce a desired amount of heat. Nuclear fuel. Uranium is the fuel most widely used by nuclear plants for nuclear fission. Uranium is considered a non-renewable energy source, even though it is a common metal found in rocks worldwide. Nuclear weapons. During World War II, countries worked to build a weapon that used nuclear energy. The result was the nuclear or atomic bomb. The United States dropped the first nuclear bomb on the city of Hiroshima, Japan, on 6 August 1945. The explosion destroyed most of the city and killed more than 70,000 people instantly. Scientists later discovered how to use nuclear fusion to make an even more powerful bomb, the hydrogen bomb. Now let's see what are the advantage and disadvantage of nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is clean and provides pollution-free power with no greenhouse gas emissions. Compared to all the energy alternatives we currently have on hand, nuclear is indeed one of the cleanest sources. Nuclear energy supporters also argue that nuclear power is responsible for the fastest decarbonization effort in history. While nuclear energy may be clean and its production is emission-free, experts highlight a hidden danger of this power, that is nuclear waste. The highly radioactive and toxic byproduct from nuclear reactors can remain radioactive for tens of thousands of years. Currently, most talked about disadvantage of nuclear energy is the nuclear weapon proliferation. After the World War II, the world saw the highly destructive effect of these bombs, which caused the death of tens of thousands of people, not only in the impact itself, but also in the days, weeks, and months after the tragedy. As a consequence of radiation sickness,